Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make thick lentil soup. To achieve a wonderfully hearty consistency, always start with red lentils, as they naturally break down more than other varieties. You'll also want to blend about 1/3 of your cooked soup, then stir it back in. This simple trick creates a rich, creamy texture without adding any dairy. For a truly flavorful and thick lentil soup, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of red lentils, thoroughly rinsed. Aromatic vegetables like diced carrots, celery, and onion form a crucial flavor base. Use 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth, and don't forget your favorite spices, perhaps a teaspoon of cumin and half a teaspoon of turmeric to really bring out the warmth. Begin by sautéing your diced onions, carrots, and celery in a tablespoon of olive oil until they are soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, add your rinsed red lentils and vegetable broth to the pot. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the lentils are incredibly tender and have started to break down. Once your lentils are tender, it's time for the magic step. Carefully scoop out about 1/3 of the soup into a blender or use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Blend until it's completely smooth and creamy. Return the blended portion to the main pot, stirring well to combine. This creates that desired thick, luxurious texture. Taste and season with salt and pepper as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.